Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. So today we start a new project. Here, this fake Vespa is an electric one and we need to fix it. So it seems like the battery is the main problem. I'm keep charging it. I want to double check that it's really bad or not. For the moment it's 55 volt out of the 72 that I need. So I think that it's that. Or we just need to try to activate the BMS. So we will open it later on. But for the moment, what we're trying to do is start changing a little bit of the lights here that are old one, not LED. So we want to save electricity as much as possible. Second point, we need to fix here the rear part that it's moving too much because we need to put the scooter case on the back, and I got one that it's really nice and perfect for this Vespa. So let's do it. I opened the battery and unfortunately two of these modules are completely unusable. So I have to completely rebuild the package, and I can do that. I just don't have the batteries with me now, so I need to go back home and use the Leaf Apple 4 that I have, that I think are good for this project. So this is a 20S battery, and this is the BMS that I think I can still salvage and reuse because it may potentially still work. I don't think there is a damage there. I have spare cells here. I don't know what I can do with them. I need to measure what's the voltage, but yeah, I can't really move forward with this project till I will build the new battery pack. So just simply change the lights, and that's all for me for today. No more thing, unfortunately. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned because I will continue this project and we'll build the 72 volt battery. I can use the one from the comms, but size-wise is bigger than this, of course, so I don't really want to do that. It doesn't really make sense at the moment. Thank you for watching. Again, stay tuned because the project will continue. And if you have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you. How many times did I say thank you for watching? It's okay. See you next time. Bye.